Life is a mystery that has changed the very meaning of this universe for us. After coming into existence billions of years after the universe, we started to think that maybe this entire universe was made just for us. But the truth is that we haven't even been able to understand the beginning of our own life. After all, where did it come from and in which direction are we moving forward? To understand life, we started observing the planets present in our solar system and those outside it, and then we saw a very strange world. A place where rivers flow, lakes shimmer, and clouds rain down from the sky, but there isn't a single drop of water there. You must have found it strange to hear. Yes, this world is exactly like that. This is Titan, the largest moon of Saturn. It's the only celestial body in our solar system that we know about like this. That has liquid present on its surface in a completely stable condition, but that liquid is not water, it's methane and ethane. Scientists thought it would be easy to understand the possibility of life on Titan, but on its surface, we saw something that surprised everyone. Till today, we haven't found any clear evidence on Titan that can explain the presence of life. What is this mysterious world of Titan really trying to tell us? Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, is a wonder in our solar system. It's bigger than our moon and even larger than the smallest planet, Mercury. But what really makes Titan special is its atmosphere. Orbiting around Saturn, Titan's atmosphere is so dense that it's even thicker than Earth's atmosphere, and it contains abundant nitrogen and methane. This atmosphere has given Titan a mysterious haze, making it very difficult to see its surface from above. Scientists wanted to know what could be beneath this mysterious world. And finally, to uncover this, National Aeronautics and Space Administration's Cassini-Huygens mission reached there in 2004. Cassini revealed the presence of lakes, rivers, and seas on Titan's surface. Seeing such a sight, the scientists were left stunned. They couldn't believe that they had discovered such an object, where rivers flow and liquid oceans also exist. But all of this wasn't made of water. Instead, liquid methane and ethane exist here just like water does on our Earth. Scientists thought that these liquids on Titan might give rise to the most essential chemical processes for life. Organic molecules like hydrocarbons are also found in abundance on Titan, which could be the basic building blocks for life. But now, a big question was troubling the scientists. If there are so many liquids and organic compounds present on Titan, then why haven't we found any clear signs of life there till now? If we look at Earth, when rivers meet seas or lakes here, deltas are formed there. These are the areas where the river sediment gets deposited. These deltas are evidence of the river's flow and the materials carried by them. On Titan, we do find rivers and lakes, but surprisingly, scientists have not found any clear signs of deltas there. Cassini's radar images and data from the Huygens probe have revealed that Titan's rivers often end abruptly. The absence of deltas on Titan without any delta formation has become a major puzzle for scientists. The lack of deltas could mean that Titan's rivers are not as active as we previously thought. That means these rivers don't actually flow, they just stand still. Or perhaps the geological processes there are completely different from those on our Earth. For example, the temperature on Titan's surface is very low. It's about minus 180 degrees Celsius, and in such cold conditions, the flow of methane and ethane can't be as fast as the rivers on Earth. It could also be possible that Titan's rivers are seasonal. They only flow for a short period of time and don't get enough time to deposit sediment. Or it could also be that Titan's surface composition is so unique that it either doesn't allow delta formation to happen or stops it altogether. The possibility of life on Titan wasn't a big deal for us because we saw something on Titan that we hadn't found anywhere else. Scientists were sure that even if there wasn't life like ours on Titan, we might still find some other kind of life form there. Even if it's not a carbon-based life form, and studying it is very difficult. That means if we really want to understand Titan, it's necessary for us to land on its surface. At the same time, when we got closer to it, Cassini's radar and infrared instruments told us a lot, but its resolution was limited. The Huygens probe landed on Titan's surface in 2005 and did send us some data, but it was only active for a few hours. To search for life, we need to understand how chemical reactions actually work on Titan. On Earth, life evolved around water, but on Titan, liquid methane and ethane take the place of water. Can biological chemical processes occur in these liquids? Scientists have shown in laboratory experiments that complex organic molecules can form in methane and ethane, but we still don't know how complex these processes can get. The level of radiation on Titan's surface is very high because it is present in Saturn's magnetosphere, which is filled with high-energy particles. This radiation can destroy biological molecules, which really reduces the chances of life. The presence of organic molecules on Titan's surface definitely makes it a good candidate for the search for life. But the absence of deltas and the complex structure of its surface have puzzled scientists. Landscapes like dunes, mountains, and canyons are present on Titan's surface, which are quite similar to those on Earth. But these have been formed by the flow of methane and ethane. Scientists believe that cryovolcanism may also occur on Titan. But how it works on Titan and whether it plays a major role in keeping Titan active, we still need to learn more about that. The density of Titan's surface is very low and it is mostly made up of organic materials and ice. This means that Titan's surface could be much lighter and more fragile compared to Earth's. Because of this, river sediment may not settle there as easily, or it is so light that the winds blowing there carry it away. Cassini's data also revealed that wind patterns on Titan are very strong, which can spread sediment over a large area, which prevents the formation of deltas. To unravel Titan's mysteries, National Aeronautics and Space Administration has planned the Dragonfly mission, which will reach Titan in 2034. It will be a drone-like rotorcraft that will fly over Titan's surface and study a large area. Dragonfly's target is to deeply investigate the organic molecules and chemical processes present on Titan's surface and in its atmosphere. This mission will provide mobility on Titan's surface, allowing scientists to easily study its different terrains. Dragonfly's instruments will include a mass spectrometer and meteorological sensors, which will help in understanding Titan's atmosphere and its surface composition. Dragonfly will also investigate whether prebiotic chemistry exists on Titan, meaning the chemical processes that are necessary for the origin of life. If Dragonfly finds evidence of deltas on Titan, it will be a major step in understanding the behavior of Titan's rivers. Along with that, this mission will also deeply study Titan's methane cycle, which is similar to Earth's water cycle. Titan's surface is so unique that it has forced scientists to think deeply. There are rivers here but without deltas. The abundance of organic molecules and the presence of an active methane cycle. But even then, there are no clear signs of life here. All of this makes Titan the most mysterious body in our solar system. Is life possible on Titan, or is it just a world where chemical processes are still not sufficient to start life? The Dragonfly mission might answer these questions, but until then, Titan's mystery will keep reminding us how unknown and exciting the universe is. Friends, what do you think? Could life be getting ready to emerge somewhere on Titan? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your friends. For more such informative videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. Friends, we'll meet again soon with another new informative video. Till then, stay curious, be happy. Namaskar.